Hi, welcome to Speed Scene Wiring online tutorial of coil pack connector. Basically, we have the coil pack connectors here that are for mid 80s and early 90s tune port injection or throttle body injection 350 or 305. Here's your part number 1, Speed Scene Wiring part number 1. Your part number 56, which is a basic CTS sensor connector. And we're going to go ahead and put the wires through. Put pink in A, then put white in B, push the top through, grab your strippers, more strippers the better, strip off an 1/8 inch of insulation, crimp down with D, and then finish it off with E. Same thing again, D and E. And this crimp tool is indexed. A, B, C, D, and E. Do the same thing for the pink wire. D, E. Same thing for the leg. We can go ahead and solder it a little bit. Now we're going to make sure that our locking tabs are fully out. And down with your fingernail. Pull it through the back side and reassess the seal, and you're good to go. Now this is just for representation purposes, but here's the gray side of the same coil pack connector. And they basically slide through. If you're doing this side right here, the gray, this is just a power, so 12 volt coil power, and this goes to your tachometer negative side. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.